What is up, guys? Crypto Miller here, back at it with another video. Today I want to talk about just where the market's going today and what it's going to be like in the near future. If you guys haven't noticed already, all these altcoins, Bitcoin, they're all dropping in price, mostly due to Coinbase's getting rid of the South Korean volume type of cap that they do to calculate the prices. That was a big hit in the market cap for cryptocurrencies, and as a result, this is dropping the prices down substantially for a lot of the coins. Some of them are going up today. Yesterday was pretty bad, but this is the best time to get in if you've been, kind of like, if the market's been too frothy for you, or if you've been thinking it might be too high to buy, whatever the case might be. But some of these coins, are going down substantially, but it's almost like, a week or two ago, you were able to see what the future holds for these coins. Like, for example, we go to Tron. Tron went to 30 cents, a little bit over 30 cents, not too long ago. It's trading at 8 cents right now, and that's due to the South Korean market cap being taken out for the volume. But let's see here. If we go to 7 days, let's see what 7 days holds for Tron. So 7 days, I guess we'll go back a month because it was a couple weeks ago. I bought in at 3 cents, so I bought in around here, in the beginning of January, towards the end of December. Went all the way up to 27, if I can hit that point. Well, went a little bit over 30 cents. It was like 31 for a little bit. But now we're seeing this huge correction, and it's just been going downhill. So I'm telling you, this, like stuff like this, you see that you can see the potential in this kind of coin. If it could hit these highs, imagine the return you're going to get at buying in at 8 cents. Even 3 cents, that was insane, but it's at 8 cents right now. Imagine if it going up to 30. It did that within days. So you can see the potential that it's got, and it's only ranked 14. It does have a total supply of 100 billion. That's insane. This number is insane. I'm not gonna lie. I would love it to be at the millions for the total supply. That would be the price would not be at 8 cents though. I'll guarantee you that at a $5 billion market cap. But this is the stuff you want to see. So if we go back, see some other ones. Cardano, same thing. It was over $1 at the beginning. Or towards the beginning of January, I believe. Let's see here. If we go to the 1 month. So yeah, the beginning of January. So it was trading at, it was having this huge run up from the hype and obviously all of the stuff that they're coming out with. It went all the way up to $1.26. I would say. Now it's trading what, 85 cents. So you can see the potential. Right now it's at a low, and it can go up to 40 cents real easy. These kind of gains are what people trade on. This is what people get into. That when you hang out with your friends or you talk to people online, they get in at low points like this, and you're sitting there wondering, man, I don't know what coin to get into. I don't know if this is a low. I don't know if this is a high. Well, these are lows, guys. These are huge lows in these markets. Ripple, same thing. Man, this thing was at over $3 at one point. Now it's at $1.89. I know it's had a big hype, and also a lot of people, go against Ripple, but you can't write off Ripple based off of just working with institutions and banks and stuff like that, when this is a big money maker for a lot of people that got into Ripple, just in December. If we look at that, getting into Ripple at what 79 cents in December 15th, went all the way up. Look at that, $3.84. That's a huge gain from 70, or what was it, 82, 70, around 70 cents. That's a big gain. Now it's down to $1.89. This is the type of market you want to get into now. So I would do your research, see what kind of coins you want to get into. Tron is going to be coming out with some new partnerships soon. That's going to go up. Cardano is going to come out with a few things that they're getting completed on. That's going to spike up. Ethereum's Ethereum's on a whole other level. A lot of people knew that Ethereum would go up, but not this quick, and to a $1,300 price from $700 at the beginning of, or the middle of December. It was at like $600 at a low at one point. That's already a 2x your money on Ethereum if you got in December, but let alone if you got in before that. Ray-Blocks, that's a new hype as well. Ray-Blocks, a lot of people are talking about Ray-Blocks being one of those coins that just kind of creep up on everybody else. If we see the 1 month, let's see where they're at. So let's see here, December 15th, it was like $2.54, and it went all the way up to, what is it, a high of 34, 36, somewhere around there. Yeah, around 36 bucks. Right now it's at 23 bucks. So you kind of saw a future right here. It went up, so it's got potential. I'm curious to see who got in at this price. I missed out on this bandwagon. I wish I didn't, but leave a comment down below if you got into Ray-Blocks at this time, because that's insane gains. Let's see, a 3 month. I want to see what that price was, because I know they were pretty low. Yeah, 11 cents. So leave a comment down below if you got in here at 11 cents, 10 cents on Ray-Blocks, and now you're sitting at a hefty $23. That's a big gain. But like I said, guys, this is the time that you want to get in. This is the times that the market's low, and I know everybody's been going crazy on the saying China ban, they're going to ban trading, they're going to ban mining, all these speculative things. It's not going away. I mean, it's a $716 billion market cap in cryptocurrencies. This isn't going away. Trust me, this is not going away. And a lot of ICOs are also coming up too. That's a big thing coming up. But what's interesting is during this whole letdown, NEO, the overseas type of currencies, this hasn't seen any kind of backlash towards the CoinMarketCap correction with the South Korean volume. So that's kind of cool. If you get in now, I mean, it might hit an all-time high. But this is pretty promising if you're looking into cryptocurrencies based off of China, based out in China or Korea or anything like that. If you're looking into markets like out overseas like that, then this is what people talk about. That do or die over these type of cryptocurrencies. When the markets are bad over here, but then these ones they don't see that many bad corrections and stuff like that. They don't see huge dips in general. This has just been pretty steady. It's a good day trader back a few days ago. Still probably a good day trader, but it did have a spike up to about 171 bucks. Now it's trading at 155, so it's got a tiny bit correction. This may not be the best time to buy NEO, but if you're in it for the long haul, or day traders, or whatever your case may be, this might be a good coin to get into. And they also have a good background as well. I'm not getting into any of the backgrounds of the coins right now. I'm just giving you an update of the market as it sits, because this kind of stuff is what makes or breaks people. This kind of market with all this red, this is what makes a lot of people rich and a lot of people a lot of money. If you got a lot of money to throw down on some of these altcoins, it's insane. So that's it for today, guys. Just browse. It's Black Friday on the market, and these numbers, don't get too scared about the downtrends. This is where the do or diers kind of get into. So, all right, guys. Well, that's it for today. If leave a comment down below if whatever you got into. I want to know what kind of coins you guys are all getting into. What you guys are speculating what's going to rise. If you guys are interested in Tron, Tron's my number one. This is my ride or die right here, and I'm going to stick with it. Same with Cardano. I love Cardano. I want to know down below in the comments. I'll look at all of those. Leave a like if you thought this video was good, and also subscribe if you have not. That'll really help me out. So once again, guys, see you later. Peace.